Yeah, that's not very good. Nope, not at all. But I have some new parts. Okay. Good morning. It is wheelchair repair day for me. My front wheels and forks are worn out, so I'm gonna replace them, and I'm gonna bring you along with me. So stay tuned. First step is to remove this Allen screw. It is a 4mm, it appears. And it is spinning, so I need to get, oh no it's not, I got it. Sometimes it gets stuck, and the other one likes to spin too. Oh no, we're good. Okay, next step is a 3/4 inch wrench. And remove the fork. Sounds like Athena the goddess is trying to tell me what to do. What do you think? Oh, nope, no she's not. She just wants to play ball. I'm busy, pup. Okay. I'm being attacked. Every time I get down on the floor, she thinks it's playtime. Yep. Play ball with me, Dad. Play ball with me, Dad. Sorry, pup. I'm shooting a video and fixing my chair. And you might be asking yourself why I don't have a ratchet wrench or a ratchet. That is because we just loaded up the tools we have left here at our old house. We are about to be out of here permanently and up at the Swan Eagle Ranch. Okay, that's off. Now I gotta get the new parts. If Athena will let me do it. Come on, pup, move. Okay, I'm gonna put this side back together now. So we got the nice new fork. I greased the bearing, or I put 3-in-1 oil in the bearings off camera so I don't bore you to death. Okay, so this goes up there. Two washers go on the bottom. The half nut, it is a locking nut. It is 1/2 by 20 thread pitch. Screw that on. Now I did get new studs and new half nut and regular nut also, but I just replaced these not too long ago, so I am gonna use the existing for now. And there you have it, new fork installed. It spins freely, no wobble, so that side is good to go. I am gonna stick a little bit of 3-in-1 oil on the axle, and I'll put the new wheel on. That weird noise you hear is me scooting around on the floor. Uh-oh, I have a problem. The existing shaft is too long for the new wheels, because there's brand new tread on these wheels, so I have to adjust that. Okay, after some playing around, I got it to clear. So the all thread shaft that's in here, I had to screw it farther into the frame and tighten down this nut. Also, the other thing I did is the wheels, when they came to me, the wheel was on the middle hole. I put it down onto the last hole, and as you can see now, we got plenty of clearance. So it's all nice and tight, no noise. So I'm gonna do the next one. Okay, so same process for the other side.
Okay, so you gotta take the wheel off first.
Hey, where are you going? Come back here. Okay, got the wheel off.
This one half nut on the bottom again.
Okay, that's done. The other nut loose. Okay, I'm going to put that on the bottom hole like I did on the last one. Should be good to go. Alrighty, brand new wheels and brand new casters. So thank you for watching. I know this was kind of long, but if you like this video, please give it a like, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and also most importantly, hit the subscribe button. It will really help out the channel, and it doesn't cost you anything. And as always, thanks for watching.